What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use the remote start feature on the key fob for a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So taking a look at our fob, this button that has a circle around it with the 2X, that's the remote start button. To use it, we'll press that button twice. Then the vehicle will lock and start. Now, in order to be able to drive the vehicle, what we need to do is get into it, and if you have the key, it'll obviously automatically open for you. We'll get in, and without pressing the brake, we need to press the stop start button. And now we'll be able to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.